VideoStew AI Review 7. Crucial things you need to know. Best just released AI software. VideoStew AI has just been released and it's already shaking up the digital marketing world. If you're searching for a new AI tool that can seriously streamline your workflow and elevate your content game, this review will give you the 7 most crucial things you need to know about VideoStew AI. Stick around until the end for the real hidden gems of this software that you won't hear anywhere else. Now, before we dive in, you can actually try VideoStew for completely free through the first link in the description below. So if you're curious, make sure to grab that free trial and get a feel for what VideoStew has to offer. Let's get into it. First off, one of the standout features of VideoStew AI is its content generation capabilities. Unlike many tools out there, VideoStew isn't just about creating basic text or voiceover. It specializes in taking a topic and generating a fully structured script ready for video. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or content creator, this tool can save hours in pre-production by auto-generating content that's optimized for your audience. Imagine having an AI assistant that drafts your video scripts while you focus on other important tasks. Next, the AI-powered video editing feature is a game changer. VideoStew AI automatically edits your footage, trimming down unnecessary content, improving pacing, and ensuring your video is polished and professional. This takes a lot of the guesswork out of editing and allows you to create high-quality videos even if you don't have editing expertise. Then there's the Haika smart voiceovers. VideoStew's AI uses advanced algorithms to create voiceovers that sound natural and engaging. This is especially useful if you need voiceover work for your videos, but don't want to hire a voice artist or spend hours recording your own voice. Plus, the tool offers multiple voice options, giving you a variety of tones and accents to match the vibe you want for your content. One of the most innovative things about VideoStew is its SEO optimization tools. The software helps you craft video titles, descriptions, and tags that are tailored for maximum visibility. This is crucial for growing your channel or website, especially when you're competing for attention in crowded niches. VideoStew integrates keyword research and trends into the content it generates, meaning it's always in line with what people are searching for. VideoStew AI also stands out with its automatic subtitles and translations. If you want to reach a global audience, this tool takes the hassle out of adding subtitles in different languages. Whether you're expanding into new markets or making your content more accessible, this feature is a huge time saver and a real must-have for creators aiming for global impact. Now let's talk about customization. VideoStew allows a great deal of flexibility when it comes to tailoring content. Whether it's adjusting the script, editing the AI-generated video, or modifying voiceovers, VideoStew provides the freedom to tweak things exactly how you want. You're not stuck with rigid templates or overly restrictive features that many other AI tools often force on you. And finally, the user interface. One of the things I really love about VideoStew AI is how easy it is to use. Many AI tools come with a steep learning curve, but VideoStew is designed with simplicity in mind. It's intuitive and user-friendly, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned content creators. You can jump right in without needing to spend hours learning how to use the software. All in all, VideoStew AI is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to streamline their video creation process. It automates so much of the heavy lifting, leaving you with more time to focus on what matters, creating great content. If you're curious to try it out for yourself, don't forget to grab your free trial from the link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've found some that truly stand out, and I have my personal recommendations for you in the description too. Thanks for watching.